Hello, we are at the Great World City Mall, Singapore. Okay, there's Lisa. Oh, Annie, smile. This is the Christmas tree. Okay, and there are some decorations here and sales going on. Yes. November 23, 2025. We just had our dinner and then I feel like having video. Oh, the Poinsettias is down there. Okay, these are for sales. Lovely Christmas tree, Christmas lights, reds, long reds. In November, ang ganda ng dates. November 23, 2025, okay? Yes, these are for sales. Lovely decorations. Yeah, Christmas decors. Lots of Christmas tree. Kano kaya ito? Kano kaya itong maliit na ito? Lovely fox. Yes. Smaller rates. Wow, I miss my reds in Philippines. Oh, 69. I have a balls reds in Philippines. But we are at Singapore, okay? We don't know if we could make it December next month for a holiday. I don't know. If Mr. Boy having help, perhaps. If he doesn't have any help, then just wait. Honey! Lots of decoration here at the Great World City Mall, Singapore. Okay? Yeah.
I'll buy this for you, okay?
Oh, Santa Claus is upside down. Okay. Enjoy, folks. That's for today. November 23, 2025. At Great World City Mall, Singapore. There's Lisa Boy. Cups. Enjoy Singapore. GWC Mall. Okay?